Poisons have captivated the human imagination for centuries. These silent killers, often undetectable, have the power to bring down even the strongest among us. From ancient times to the modern era, poisons have shaped history, whispering tales of intrigue and danger. Understanding these deadly substances is crucial for safety and awareness. We delve into 7 of the deadliest poisons, uncovering their origins and chilling stories. Knowledge is power, and when it comes to poisons, knowledge can be the difference between life and death. Ricin, a potent toxin derived from the humble castor bean, has earned its place in history as a silent and deadly killer. This seemingly innocuous bean harbors a dark secret within its seeds. Ricin is found in the waste product of castor oil production known as mash. A lethal dose can be as small as a few grains of salt. Once inside the body, ricin disrupts protein synthesis. It binds to ribosomes, essential for building proteins. This disruption leads to cell death. One infamous case involves Georgy Markov, a Bulgarian dissident. He was attacked with a modified umbrella in London. The umbrella fired a tiny pellet containing ricin. Despite treatment, Markov died 4 days later. The case remains a chilling example of Cold War espionage. Botulinum toxin, produced by Clostridium botulinum, is the most poisonous substance known to man. This neurotoxin, often linked to improperly canned foods, causes botulism, a severe illness. It paralyzes muscles, including those for breathing, by disrupting nerve signals. The toxin blocks acetylcholine, severing communication between nerves and muscles. This leads to muscle weakness, paralysis, and potentially respiratory failure. In small doses, it's used in Botox to reduce wrinkles. Despite its uses, botulinum toxin remains a deadly poison. Proper food handling is essential to prevent botulism. Section 4. Cyanide, a rapid and deadly poison. Cyanide, a fast-acting and lethal poison, evokes images of spy novels and murder mysteries. This deadly substance, often associated with a bitter almond smell, disrupts the body's ability to use oxygen, leading to rapid cell death. Cyanide is found in various forms, both natural and synthetic. It occurs naturally in some plants like apple seeds and cassava root, and is also used in industrial processes such as mining and electroplating. The lethal effects of cyanide stem from its ability to bind to an enzyme called cytochrome C oxidase, a crucial component of cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is the process by which cells convert glucose into energy, and oxygen is a vital player in this process. When cyanide binds to cytochrome C oxidase, it prevents oxygen from participating in cellular respiration, effectively suffocating the cells. The symptoms of cyanide poisoning are swift and severe, often appearing within minutes of exposure. Victims may experience rapid breathing, seizures, loss of consciousness, and cardiac arrest. The speed at which cyanide acts makes it particularly dangerous, as there is often little time to administer an antidote. While cyanide poisoning is relatively rare, it serves as a stark reminder of the potential dangers lurking in our environment, both natural and man-made. Section 5. Strychnine, the convulsant. Strychnine, a bitter alkaloid derived from the seeds of the Strychnos nux vomica tree, is a potent neurotoxin that has been both a tool and a terror in human history. Historically, strychnine was used as a pesticide and even found its way into small doses in tonic water, believed to have invigorating properties. However, its primary claim to infamy lies in its use as a poison, known for inducing agonizing convulsions and a gruesome death. Strychnine exerts its deadly effects by interfering with the central nervous system, specifically targeting glycine receptors in the spinal cord. Glycine is an inhibitory neurotransmitter, meaning it helps regulate nerve impulses and prevent overexcitation. When strychnine binds to glycine receptors, it blocks the inhibitory effects of glycine, leading to uncontrolled nerve firing and muscle contractions. The symptoms of strychnine poisoning are as terrifying as they are distinctive. Victims experience heightened senses, muscle stiffness, and painful spasms that contort the body into unnatural positions. These convulsions can be so severe that they lead to respiratory failure or exhaustion, ultimately resulting in death. Strychnine poisoning is a horrific way to die, and its use as a murder weapon has cemented its place in literary and cinematic depictions of poisonings throughout history. Throughout history, few poisons have been as deceptive and deadly as aconite, also known as monkshood or wolfsbane. This plant-based toxin has a long and sinister history, often used by those who wish to kill without detection. In ancient times, aconite was a favorite tool of assassins. Its effects are swift and brutal, causing symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea, and heart failure. The victim often appears to die of natural causes, making it a perfect weapon for those with nefarious intentions. One of the most infamous cases involving aconite was the murder of Emperor Claudius of Rome. It is believed that his wife, Agrippina, used aconite to poison him, securing the throne for her son Nero. In more recent times, aconite has been used in several high-profile criminal cases, highlighting its enduring legacy as a deadly deceiver. Despite its deadly nature, aconite has also been studied for its potential medicinal uses. However, the line between a therapeutic dose and a lethal one is razor-thin, making it a perilous substance to handle. The story of aconite serves as a stark reminder of the thin veil between life and death and the deceptive nature of some of the world's deadliest poisons. Throughout history, poisons have played a significant role in shaping events and societies. From ancient alchemists experimenting with deadly substances to the strategic use of toxins in political assassinations, the power of poisons is undeniable. Cleopatra's tragic end by snake venom and Socrates' forced consumption of hemlock are just two examples of how poisons have left an indelible mark on history. These substances, while often feared, have also driven scientific discovery and medical advancements. Today, our understanding of poisons allows us to harness their potential for beneficial uses, such as in medicine and pest control. However, this knowledge also comes with a responsibility. We must handle these powerful substances with the utmost caution and respect. By respecting the power of poisons, we can prevent accidents and misuse, ensuring that these potent chemicals serve humanity in positive ways. Education, regulation, and vigilance are key to maintaining this balance. If you enjoyed this journey through the history and science of poisons, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content.